Hey guys, welcome back. So it's still self-isolation, home quarantine time. And so I'm still glued to my desk, and that's the reason why you see me here on the desk. So, yeah, I have already relocated to my new place in Tartu. So Tartu is 200 kilometers away from Tallinn. So that happened last Sunday. And so here I roll the clips of how I moved to this place. Morning guys. So I am actually preparing to move out of this room in Tallinn to Tartu. So it's my moving day. So welcome to my moving day. Guys, this is my quarantine look. I don't know if you guys even heard that, but change of location, yeah. I know these trees look a little too creepy, but that's okay. But you guys have to guess where I am. I am in Tartu. This is my first outing in Tartu. I'm actually going to the supermarket to get some groceries because that's what I need to have to survive as of now. Okay, so that was me moving to Tartu. Majority of it was not filmed because I literally had a hard time maneuvering all my luggage by myself. So yeah, but that was a task. And here I am in Tartu now, and I'm showing you a room tour. So let's get to that. So yeah, that was a small update, and there's nothing much happening because everything's inside, the four walls of my room. And so yeah, everything's going fine so far. Um, Corona here, it's still happening, but it's on a controlled rate, and so it's still emergency situation time here, and that spans until May 1st, and there's no change in that situation so far. And so, yeah, we're all home, still working from home and, self isolating, quarantining. I am doing fine, great, no issues so far. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in another video, hopefully very soon. Bye.